On Christmas Eve, a little mouse sat under a Christmas tree. His name was Gerald and nobody cared, though he had no family. He sat by the fire with a tear in his eye and never looked away. Oh, he sat by the fire in his little wooden chair till Christmas Eve turned into Christmas Day. In the dying embers of the fire, faces reflected on the wall of his parents dear who would never be near, of clothes that once filled the hall, of days gone by when Christmas pie from the kitchen, the smell all through the house. As the fire died, so Gerald died, and so ends the tale of our love. Merry Christmas!